Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a lot of you have asked me if it was normal for the last Patch Tuesday to be very long install, and indeed it was a much longer install than I'm used to. Typically on this gaming laptop that I have here, installs are in general very quick, and I even noticed on this machine, which is really a fast machine with an SSD, that it took many minutes. It took maybe 15-20 minutes, which is, I'm not used to having installs that take so long on such a fast hardware. So if you are on an older machine, if you're on a machine that runs with an SSD, not an SSD, sorry, with an old hard drive, yeah, it could take hours. Some of you out there told me that it took several hours for that update to actually go through this week. Now, the reports of problems with the updates, of course, there are some reports out there for the updates. And the thing is, the biggest problem is really with broken apps that seem to be related to the .NET framework. So look at my first video I posted with two little possible fixes. By doing that, maybe everything's going to be all right afterwards. And if that doesn't work, I'm looking at other alternatives, and I'm trying not to push anyone to uninstall the last update because the security flaws are so big that it's better to try to deal in some way with the problems and fix them than to uninstall the security patch Tuesday, because it's such a big one. So hang in there. The apps, like I said, it seems that it's really due to .NET framework problems. I was showing how to reinstall .NET, actually download and reinstall .NET framework 3.5 and make sure that it's actually functional in the Windows PC. And of course, we'll be checking at all of that up and trying to maybe update the video or do something else today if problems arise on your machine. But yes, very long install this time with Patch Tuesday. It seems that it really did a lot of changes for the security patches. As for people saying, well, I don't notice anything different, this is a security update. Your PC will look the same. There's nothing different. It's just that it fixes the security flaws that are in that in Windows for this month. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.